Hello students, this is the second part of multiple submultiple angles for trigonometrical functions. So yesterday I derived a result, that is the value of sine 18 degree. Sine 18 degree now onwards treated as standard angle. Its value is root 5 minus 1 by 4. So important thing is sine 18 is always equal to cos 72 degree only. So cos 72 also now standard angle, cos 72 degree also treated as root 5 minus 1 by 4 only, because see here cos 72 degree is nothing but cos of 90 minus 18 degree. So cos of 90 minus theta, sin theta only, sin 18 degree. That's why cos 72 degree and sin 18 degree all are same. Okay, this is result number 1. So I can result number 2. That is, I want find cos 36 degree now. Cos 36 degree value. This is also standard angle. Cos 36 actually value is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Nana. Cos 18 means root 5 minus 1 by 4. Cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay, so I will prove this. See here. I know sin 18. By using sin 18 I want find cos 36. So what formula is useful as, that is important here. Cos 2 theta in terms of sine, this is the formula. Okay, or make sin theta as a subject. Do one thing, put theta equal to 18 degree in the above result. What happened? Cos 2 into 18 degree equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 18 degree. 2 into 18 36 only, cos 36 now. Cos 36 degree is nothing but 1 minus 2 into sin square 18 degree. Sin square just now we found, no, root 5 minus 1 by 4. Now we need to simplify this. Okay, observe here, 1 minus 2 by 16 into a minus b square means a square means 5 plus b square means 1 minus 2ab means minus 2 root over 5. Okay students, so now I want to simplify this. 2 1s are 2 8s are, that is 8 minus 6 plus 2 root 5 by 8. Okay, I want write remain result here, Nana. What is that? So that is 2 plus 2 root 5 by 8. Take 2 common and divide. 2 1 plus root 5 by 8. Okay, Nana. So what happened to 1s are 2 4s are. Final result, therefore cos 36 degree equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4 should remember. Okay, so important thing is cos 36 and sin 54 both are same, no? 54 and 36 are complementary angles. Note, sin 54 is same as cos 36, same as root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay, result 2 completed. Next result number 3. Result 3. So in result 3 I want to find the value of cos 18 degree. Next cos 18 degree I want, cos 18 degree. What is this? I will write later, or I know that, no, I can write 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. This is the value of cos 18, should remember. Okay students, now I want to find cos 18 degree. I already know the sin 18 degree. By using sin 18 degree I want to find cos 18 degree. Already you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, or another words I can say that cos theta equal to root over 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, that is root over, you put theta equal to 18 and here cos 18 degree equal to 1 minus sin square 18 degree. Now I want to simplify this here, the value of sin 18 degree I want to simplify here. 1 minus, yes students, 1 minus root 5 minus 1 by 4 square, that is 1 minus 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 by 16, or in other words 16 minus 6 plus 2 root 5 by 16. So this is the simplified form of 1 minus sin square 18. I will write here that one. So root over, so 16 minus 6 10 nana, 10 plus 2 root 5 by 16. Root over a by b means you can write root a by root b, no? That's why 1 by 4 times of 10 plus 2 root 5. This is the value of cos 18 degree, should remember. Okay students, so what important note here, cos 18 and 72 same, no? Cos 18 degree which is same as sin 72 degree, because both are complementary angles. That's why this value also equal to 1 by 4 of root over 10 plus 2 root 5. Okay, note sin 36 degree, you can find, that is not big problem. Sin 36 degree is nothing but cos 54 degree is nothing but 1 by 4 into root over 10 minus 2 root 5. That is not big problem to derive yourself. Okay students, because you people can do it, because I already know that yeah, the value of sin 36 already derived, no? Sin 36, yeah, sorry, cos 36 derived, no? Previous cos 36 equal to root 5, yeah, plus 1 by 4. This is derived, no? By using this you can find the value of sin 36, root over 1 minus cos square 36. Simplify, you will get that this is the result. Okay, yeah, next fifth one, tan 3a formula and cot 3a formula. Tan 3a formula, 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. What is the condition here? Already explained, no? Tan a is not defined if a is a order multiple of 90s. So a comma 2a comma 3a should not in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. Under condition only this result is valid. Okay, so to prove this I am using tan of a plus b plus c formula. Tan of a plus b plus c formula is sigma tan a minus pi tan a by 1 minus sigma tan a into tan b. Okay, Nana, just if a equal to b equal to c, so what happened? Yeah, tan of a plus a equal to sigma tan a means tan a plus tan b plus tan c. Instead of b write a, instead of c also write a, you get tan a plus tan a plus tan a, 3 tan a minus here pi tan a means tan a into tan b into tan c, tan cube a will get by 1 minus, actually what should write down, actually this one is tan a into tan b plus tan b into tan c into tan c into tan a only actually. So this is a means this is tan square a plus tan square a plus tan square a, 3 tan square a. I can write 3 tan square a. Okay students, what happened finally? We got the formula for tan 3a also. Okay, yeah, no, here instead of this I will write directly tan 3 a plus c 3 only, no? I will write tan 3a directly, tan 3a. Yeah, this is the formula of tan 3a. Sixth result is cot 3a. Cot 3a, that is not same, 3 cot a minus cot cube a by 1 minus 3 cot square a. Already we have the formula of cot of a plus b plus c, no? If a equal to b equal to c, then this will get, there is not big problem. Condition is a comma 2a comma 3a should not in the integral multiple of pi's, should not belongs to n pi where n belongs to z. Okay students, yeah, this is I think I want yeah, fifth, sixth one, no? Seventh is important result. Seventh, I can say they are half angle formulae. Half angle formulae. Okay, means half angle means sin a by 2, what, cos a by 2, like that. Okay, Ranana. So first of all, sin a should remember like this, sin a equal to 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2. Second one, cos a should be remembered as cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2, or 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. Important result. Somebody want proof for this, that is not big problem, I can prove. Nana. First one, to prove first one, I want use sin 2a formula. Sin 2a formula already derived, that is 2 sin a into cos a. Nana. Do one thing, I want to make angle at half angles, that's why let 2a angle is taken as some k. What happened to this? Sin k equal to 2 into sin into, instead of 2a k means what is a value, Nana? Automatically a equal to k by 2 only. A equal to k by 2. But instead of this a, you can write k by 2, sin k by 2 into cos k by 2. So finally we got a new result, that is instead of k, now again I want to write a, no problem. Now sin theta I will write, sin theta equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. So sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So this is called half angle formula. How to remember? How can you remember means? So you can remember like this, sin a equal to 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2. So instead of theta you can write a also. Now what is the problem? Sin a equal to 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2. So I want to prove second result here. For that I want to use cos 2a formula. Cos 2a equal what? We have several. One of them is cos square a minus sin square a. Second them is 2 cos square a minus 1. Next one is 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay, Nana, put 2a equal to theta. Automatically what is the value of a, Nana, here? Theta by 2. So these results becomes cos theta equal to cos square, instead of a what you can write? Theta by 2 can write, minus sin square theta by 2. Or second one you can say that 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Third one you can say that 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Student, don't confuse theta or beta or a or b, all are angles only, no? So instead of these theta I can write a. What happened, Nana? Cos a is equal to cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. What is the problem? 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. Okay. Okay. Yeah, these results are important, Nana. I can say IMP results. Again and again and again I am saying trigonometry is fully depend upon formulae. So without formulae you can't solve the problems. That's why you need to remember all these. See here, what I wrote 7th, no, I will write 8th. I can write 8th one. 1, 2, 3. Okay. One by one. First one. Sometimes here I will explain here. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes you want cos A value in terms of sin 2A. Cos A in terms of sin 2A. I will write cos A in terms of cos 2A. Sometimes you require cos A value in terms of cos 2A. That's why what is the formula of cos 2A? Nana? Cos 2A equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. From this make cos A a subject. I will write here. Yeah, 2 cos square A equal to 1 plus cos A. I want cos A only. Cos A equal to root over 1 plus cos A by 2. Very, very, very important result. Cos A in terms of cos 2A. I think here 2A should write. Wait. Something I made a mistake here. Actually need write 2A and 2A here. Here also 2A. Okay. Finally, what happened? Cos A value in terms of cos 2A. Cos A equal to root over 1 plus cos 2A by 2. But what is symbol? Actually, root over means positive in mathematics. Root over means that is positive. Root over means positive. So that's why sometimes cos A may be positive or negative depend upon the angle A. No, that's why here you need to write plus or minus. You need to write plus or minus. So plus or minus is depend upon the angle A. So finally we got cos A as plus or minus root over 1 plus cos 2A by 2. Should remember. Okay, Ranana. Next, second one. Sin A in terms of cos 2A. Sin A in term, I think only one word, that one. In terms of cos 2A. Again, students, try to write the cos 2A formula in terms of sin. Cos 2A equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A, and make sin A a subject. Directly I want right here. Sin A equal to root over 1 minus cos A by 2. Here also important thing is plus or minus. So plus or minus is depend upon the angle A. That's why cos A, now onwards, nothing but plus or minus root over 1 minus cos A, cos 2A. Every time I am writing mistake here. This is actually cos 2A and another one, cos 2A. Yeah, this is 2A actually. Okay. So cos A in terms of cos 2A, sin A in terms of cos 2A completed. So next note I will write, divide this by this, tan A will get tan A. Sometimes you want tan A in terms of cos 2A, tan A in terms of cos 2A. No need to write note, I can say that this is result number 3. Okay, result number 3, that is tan A in terms of cos 2A. Do one thing, Nana. Divide sin A with cos A, then we will get the result. Tan A means sin A by cos A only. Just now we derived cos A means what is that? 1 minus cos 2A by root 2, I can say. If you dividing, this fraction will reverse. Root 2 by root over 1 plus cos A, cos 2A. Here plus or minus, here plus or minus. So finally what you get, Nana? Root over 1 minus cos 2A by 1 plus cos 2A. Very, very important results. Or another page I will write conclude. I will conclude here. Tan A in terms of cos 2A, that is root over, okay, Nana, 1 minus cos 2A by 1 plus cos 2A. You can remember this. Okay, now I will write note. Sometimes you want tan A by 2 in terms of cos A. Just to put A equal to A by 2 here. What will get, Nana? That is 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Yes, what I instead of a I wrote a by 2. Students, one example problem. Students, now here one problem is given. Yeah, just simplification. Sin 2 theta means what, Nana? 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta. I want to write a formula of cos 2 theta so that this one should cancel. Yeah, I will explain here. Cos 2 theta have several. One of them is cos square theta minus sin square theta. One is 2 cos square theta minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So here plus is there, no, plus cos 2 theta. One should cancel. So this is better formula. So that's why instead of the one as it is, instead of cos 2 theta, I am writing 2 cos square theta minus 1. So instead of cos 2 theta, you can write cos square theta minus square theta, or 2 cos square theta minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. But we need to choose suitable formulae for that. So here I want 2 cos square theta minus 1 because I don't want 1 here. So what happened here? This one get cancelled. So what happened to this? So I will write here, that is 2 sin theta into cos theta by 2 cos square theta. 2 get cancelled. Cos square theta means cos theta and cos theta. 1 cos theta cancel with one condition, cos theta not equal to 0, and that for those angles only you can simplify this problem. Okay, Nana? Cos theta is not equal to 0. So what is with us now? Sin theta by cos theta, that is nothing but tan theta. Simplified form of sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta, nothing but tan theta. Okay, Nana? The second problem. Yeah, numerator 3 cos theta as it is. Cos 3 theta formula, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Again I am saying, Nana, total trigonometry is depend upon several formulae. Without formulae you can't solve the problems. Okay, 3 sin theta as it is. Minus is there, no? I want to use bracket. Sin 3 theta formula, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So here only I want to simplify. Here what happened? These two get cancelled. Yeah, 4 cos cube theta by after simplifying this 3 sin theta, 3 sin get cancelled, minus into minus plus 4 cos sin cube theta will get none. There 4 get cancelled. So this is nothing but cot cube theta. Because cos theta by sin theta means cot theta, cos cube theta by sin cube theta means cot cube theta. So simplified value of this expression is cot cube theta. Next, example 2. Yeah, okay, students. So another interesting example 2. So I want to write solutions for this. Observe all of you. Yeah, first one. 6 cos 20 degree minus 8 sin cube 20 degree. 20 degree is not standard angle, means that some logic is involved in this problem. We should identify that logic. Here sin theta sin cube theta. This may be in the form of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. That is sin 3 theta formula. No, I will write sin 3 theta formula. Sin 3 theta is nothing but 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Yeah, that's why you need to take here 2 common. If you take 2 common, what happened? 3 sin 20 degree minus 4 sin cube 20 degree. So which is same as 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube, sin 3 theta, sin 3 into theta means 20 degree. That is 2 into sin 60 degree. So 2 into sin 60 means root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. The value of the given expression is root 3. This is solution for first problem. Solution for second problem. Yeah, 72 degrees. Okay, standard angle only. 54 also standard angle only. So cos square 72 degree minus sin square 54. So this is sin square 18 degree. This is cos square 36 degree. That is not big problem. No? 72 and 18 are complementary angles. 54 and 36 also complementary angles. So this is same as, already you know the value of sine 18 degree, that is root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square, yeah, minus root 5 plus 4 whole square. Just like a minus b whole square minus a plus b whole square. Or you can do one thing, 1 by 16 is taken as LCM, root 5 minus 1 whole square minus root 5 plus 1 whole square. Okay, Nana? So minus 4ab, I will write a minus b whole square minus a plus b whole square, that is minus 4ab, direct formula, or you can expand it, a square plus b square minus 2ab, here minus a square, here minus b square minus 2ab, these two get cancelled, these two get cancelled, you get minus 4ab, that one. That's why 1 by 16 into minus 4ab, 4a means root 5, b means 1. So I will write in next page, yeah, 4 root 5 by 16 minus 4 root 5 by 16, 4 ones are 4 fours are, yeah, what is the answer, Nana? Root 5 by 4. This is the answer for the second problem. Now I want to solve third. What? Sine square 42 degree minus sine square 12 degree. Sine square 42 degree minus sine square 12 degree. So this is a logical problem. So 42 is not standard angle, 12 also not standard angle, but you know the formula from compound angle chapter, sine square a minus sine square b means what is that, Nana? Sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. Using this result you can write it as sine of a plus b, 42 plus 12 into sine of 42 minus 12. What is this, Nana? 42 plus 12 means what? 4, 54 into sine 30. Now sine 30 is standard angle, sine 54 also standard angle. Sine 54 is nothing but cos 36. Cos 36 into sine 30. Cos 36 value root 5 plus 1 by 4. This is 1 by 2. So final answer is root 5 plus 1 by 8. This is the answer for the problem. Here minus. So answer is minus root 5 by 4. Okay, next example, or I can say this is example 3, are important results. From this you will get important results. Yeah, one by one I will write. Find sine 22 half degree, comma cos 22 half degree, comma tan 22 half degree, comma cot 22 half degree. Students, another interesting problem. Actually sine 22 half degree is not standard angle. After completion of this chapter, or after completion of some formula in multiple submultiple angles, you can say that this is also standard angle. You need to remember the value of sine 22 half degree and cos 22 half degree also. Okay, observe here. Yeah, sine 22 half degree is same as sine 45 by 2 degree. Observe here. 45 standard angle, 45 by 2 not a standard angle. 45 standard angle, 40 by 2 is not standard angle, means try to write this in terms of 45. That is our plan. So I will explain here now. If you write cos 2a as 1 minus 2 sine square a, instead of if a you write 45 by 2, then we will get the result. Or okay. Students, actually here I forgot to write one more formula. You can write now, that is not a big problem. R, so I want to make this angle half angle, cos a by 2, cos a by 2 equal to plus or minus root over total angle. I meant half means here also half, no, 1 plus cos A by 2, direct formula, direct form, cos A by 2 in terms of cos here also, or what is this, sin A by 2. Sometimes you want sin A by 2 in terms of cos A, which is same as plus or minus root over 1 minus cos A by 2. But don't confuse, just what I did, instead of here I wrote A by 2, no, A by 2 here 2A, A by 2 to get cancel cos A. Sometimes we require this formula, sin A by 2 equal to plus or minus root over 1 minus cos A by 2, or cos A by 2 equal to plus or minus 1 plus cos A by 2, and so on. Now by using this result, either this or this, I can solve that problem. Okay, here sin A by 2 I want sin A by 2 in terms of cos A. You can write, I will write sin A by 2 equal, actual formula I will write plus or minus root over 1 minus cos A by 2. Nana students, important note, if you don't know this formula, already you know this formula, no, from this you can derive at that time while solving the problem. We can derive this problem, we can derive this formula. That is not big problem. Observe here, I will show you. Actually, what is the plan here? 45 is standard angle, but 45 by 2 not a standard angle. 45 is taken as A. So what you want, sin A by 2 you want. 45 is taken as A, nana. Then we want A by 2, a formula in A by 2. That's why sin 2A equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. Make this one a subject, 2 sin square A equal to 1 minus cos 2A. So make into half angles, 2 sin square A by 2 equal 1 minus cos A. What I did, I made this angle into half, this half, this half. This half means 2, 1 A by 2, this half means A only. So from this you can make sin square A by 2 as subject, that is 1 minus cos A by 2. After that making square root, so you get plus or minus. So sin A by 2 is nothing but plus or minus root over 1 minus cos A by 2. That's why, so at the while solving problem also you can derive the formula. That is not big problem, but you need to remember standard formula. Okay, so put A equal to 45 degree, sin 45 by 2 equal to, I don't write plus or minus, no, I write plus only, because sin 45 by 2 acute angle, no, acute, plus I will write now directly, 1 minus cos A, cos 45 degree by 2. So which is same as 1 minus 1 by root 2 by 2, which is same as, okay nana, root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the value of sin 45 degree by 2. You need to remember this. So sin 22 half degree means, so root over root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay students, next cos 22 half degree I want, cos 22 half degree, which is same as cos 45 by 2 degree only. Again I want a formula of cos A by 2 in terms of cos A, already derived. I will write here, it is plus or minus root over 1 plus cos A by 2, or you can derive here, no problem. So put A equal to 45 degree. What happened to this, cos 45 degree by 2 equal to, yeah, plus or minus I won't write here, plus only I will write, because 45 by 2 means 22 and a half, cos 22 and a half positive. Okay, root over 1 plus cos 45 by 2. Directly I can say this is nothing but root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. I will write here nana, cos 45 degree by 2, which is same as cos 22 and a half degree. Now onwards this value is remembered as root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. Okay students, yeah, now tan, that is not big problem, so I will directly, I want to write tan 22 half degree means sin 22 half degree by cos 22 half degree only. Means what happened? Sin 22 of big D, what you got? Yeah, root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. By this means fraction will reverse, 2 root 2 under root by root over root 2 minus 1. These two get cancelled, so which is same as root over root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1, or we can rationalize the denominator. So what happened? Root 2 minus 1 whole square by 1. Just I rationalize, root 2, yeah, plus 1 is numerator, root 2 minus denominator. I multiplied, divided by root 2 minus 1. So numerator is root 2 minus 1 square, denominator is a plus b to a minus b, a square minus b square, root 2 square 2, 2 minus 1 1. Okay, so which is same as root 2 minus 1. You can remember this important. Tan 22 of degree is remembered as root 2 minus 1. Another important result. Okay students, next I want cot. This is fourth result, I think. Fourth, cot 22 and half degree, that is reciprocal of tan only. Tan, that is 1 by root 2 minus 1. Again, if you rationalize this, you get root 2 plus 1 only. I will show you. Root 2 minus 1 is rationalized, root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. The numerator is root 2 plus 1 only. Denominator is a minus b to a plus b. A square means b square. A square means root 2 square 2 minus 1 2. 2 minus 1 1. That's why we can remember cos 22 of degree as root 2 plus 1. Don't confuse.